So I was just looking at the CME chart today. What I've noticed the PI cycle indicator, the one I'm really interested in, as you know, if you watch my previous videos, the CME chart has hit this white trend line, the long MA, whereas on any other chart we are quite far away from it. So that's a bit interesting. Do I think we are at the top? I don't really think so. There's nothing really indicating that we are at the top. As long as we hold this market structure, going up and up and up, there's nothing really that would tell me, to think that we're gonna just crash. This is the market structure. We're still making higher highs, higher lows, continued up. If we would break it, then I would be a little bit more cautious. But as of right now, there's nothing to worry about to me. Well, I don't think there is anything to worry about. Yes, we can come back down and retest this top of this previous range, which is normal. But I don't think that, because we are still in a bull market, I don't think they will give people a chance to get in. There's some people, probably sold their Bitcoin here. They couldn't believe we broke out and we continue up, and they are looking for any retracement, say here, to close the gap, maybe retest previous highs so that they could get in and continue the journey up. I don't think the market makers or whoever is doing it, I don't think they will give them a chance to get in. So yes, the price just almost hit this white trend line, but it's on the CME chart, and I don't think this looks like the top really. Yes, we're gonna make the range is a little bit smaller, and we'll probably just maybe come down again. I wouldn't expect the ranges to be as big as we had this whole year. I expect them to be a little bit smaller. But as long as this trend line holds, as long as we are following the trend line, I would still think this is 1, 2. So wave 4, 5. As you know, my price targets are still the same: 160, 70, 80k. Basically the top of this channel. The top of the channel, which we are following really nicely. I don't see why this could be the top here. Yes, we get some retracements, that's normal, and big flush downs, which is normal as well. But even looking at the Bitcoin Magazine Pro, this is a free buy. This is free, by the way. You get some paid stuff here where you can just pay some monthly fee, I suppose, and look at the other stuff. But I'm just watching a few things here, like this terminal price. Every time we reach the top and we start some bear market, you can see we get into this red trend line. We are not there yet. It's at around 170, 80k at the moment. So that's one thing. Then there are other things here where you can probably look at them yourself. Like, let's have a look at the delta top. Delta top tells us same thing, 170, 180k. Again, it's been respected previously in the previous bull markets. Why would it be not respected now? So, you know what I mean? Like, why would I be thinking that this is the top, and because we got to 100k and it's time to sell? Yes, 100k is still a big resistance, but Yeah, I might as well wait for some signs of weakness. Wait for some market structure change, or where the price is not really going up. I show you what I mean. Where the price is not really going up in an impulse, but it starts making these overlapping higher highs, higher lows. This is where you're looking for. This is where you're looking for a sign of weakness. When it fails to take the next high, breaks the trend line, changes market structure. This is where there's a problem. Okay. But as long as it's going up, you can't just. You can try if you're really experienced. You can try and short every time it takes the highs, and then buy back in once it reclaims. Say you I don't know what your stop loss is. Say you took the high. You think, oh, this is the top. Okay, you sell. But as soon as it gets to 618, the golden pocket, reclaims, you think, okay, it's coming back up. Gets to your stop loss, you buy back in, and you look again. This is your, if you was trading spot, yeah. If you're trading on leverage or on Bybit or whatever, you would be looking as your breakout long. Then okay, delete everything again. You have this structure here, yeah. So every time it takes the highs, people start shorting, saying, oh, that's it, that's the top. Well, if you're one of those, this is your stop loss, and you're expecting for 10k, 5k, whatever it is, it comes back, it hits your stop loss, you take a long. Not this one here. You take a long, yeah. Breakout trading, yeah. That's fine. You can do breakout trading in a bull market. Again, 1% stop loss. You're looking for the next little range to form. And again, you take your profits, or you don't take your profits. If the price continues up, you do not take your profits. Well, you can take some off the table. You must take some off the table. But then, if it starts getting back below your range, takes the highs again, you take another short if you think this is the top again. Okay, you take your profits. If you don't, that's fine. The price hits your stop loss again, you take another long. Jesus Christ, the wrong one again. You take another long. This is a breakout trading. I don't really like breakout trading, but if you trade spot, which not many people do, and I don't think they should do, I've tried and I still do, but it doesn't really work. It's much more difficult, and it's different than trading derivatives or whatever you trade on any exchange. It's really difficult. But if you choose to trade this way, you can absolutely do that. The problem is, now every time you get back into your position, into your spot, your entry is higher and higher and higher. So you must know what you're doing, because as soon as it changes market structure, it will just flush down. So you have to be careful. You must have your stop losses in place, because it's just gonna flush down. When this thing stops going up, it will just flush down. Trust me, it's not gonna be slow. It's gonna be quick and painful. So you just have to be ready. And as I said again, I do not expect this is the top. And once again, I will repeat, I'm looking at something we had here. Wrong tool again. I'm looking at something we had here. Looking at something like that. Maybe with the ranges I'm looking at the ranges, little ranges, but they should get smaller, they should get a little bit smaller in time, and that's fine. 170, 180k, something like that. That's what I'm looking for. maybe something like that. A little breach the trend line. 1, 2, waves 2, they break the trend line, get back above, continue up. 3, 4, I would like to see the wave 4 break the trend line, continue up until it doesn't, and that's it. So yeah, just a quick update. There's nothing really here anymore. And yeah, this is my playground. This is a bit of a mess, and I don't like people to see this. We hit the 618 now, because I'm looking at the price now. Yeah, we hit the 618 now. This is my TP1. Close half of the position. Close half of this position. Okay. You can leave your stop loss at entry, or you can put it at break even. I don't really like putting at break even, so I will move a little bit up. This is paper trading. I don't care. I don't like moving my stop losses, because if I'm wrong on my idea, let the price come back and stop me out, you know? So that's fine. I don't care. But you have to practice your edge, I suppose. So whatever is your game, you must do your thing, either break even or just leave it at entry. Okay. That's it for today. Quick one. And I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching if you have, and good luck. Have a nice day.